Hi, George Williams, founder and CEO of ReliabilityX, here to look at our first domain as part of the Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices framework. And that domain is culture. An organization's culture is driven by the influential leaders that exist within the organization. Sometimes that happens from people in leadership positions, and sometimes that happens from people not within leadership positions. The culture is dictated by how well the expectations are delivered and how well they are understood and how well the organization operates with integrity in alignment with those expectations. The building blocks that comprise our cultural domain include vision, mission, values, communication, and change management. In order to create the opportunity for a culture of excellence, leadership must first create an expectation. They do this through vision, mission, and values. Where are we going? How are we going to get there? And what behaviors will it take to transform our organization into the future? And to do that transformation, we have to communicate well and we have to manage the change to ensure that people go from a basic understanding to ownership of the expectation of the culture. Very similarly to reliability, this is how the safety program works. Through awareness, through understanding, through ownership, that's how you create a safety culture. That's also how you create any other culture. And so from a reliability perspective, we want to focus on vision, mission, values, communication, and change management. This creates the initial domain of culture within the Maintenance and Reliability Best Practices framework.